For today's project, I'm looking through my little scrap pile here of tool, alloy, and high carbon steels and see if I've got a piece that I can maybe use. When you've got a bunch of odds and ends like this, you want to make sure that you mark down exactly what the steel is. For today's project, this piece of Veggie 10 is probably the most promising. I finally decide to go with this piece of round, even though it's only medium carbon, but I think that'll suffice for what I'm making today. This piece is 14 millimeters in diameter and about 8 inches long. I need to give a big shout out to Clint's Hobbies DIY for his recent very generous donation to the channel. Everyone who supports my channel is directly responsible for me uploading every week. Thanks very much. Look, I'm not a knife maker and I don't pretend to be one. I only make just the occasional knife and it's always in my more rough style. One of my great failings is I would always not draw the edge out enough, but not so much anymore. I've learned my lesson. Since I don't have fancy or powerful grinding equipment, it's best for me to forge out as much as possible so it leaves a minimal amount of grinding in the end. Light taps on carbon steel when the materials cool significantly can help pack and refine the steel, or at least that's what a lot of old-timers thought. I'm just going to use my angle grinder with 3 different grit discs to sharpen this. The final one is 400. The only thing that remains is to strop or hone the edge. These are homemade leather stropping wheels. I want the grinder to rotate in the opposite direction than it normally rotates. This medium carbon knife should suffice since it won't see a lot of abuse, being that it's only used to chop herbs and cut veggies. My knife using skills are on par with my knife making skills. Certainly not the worst, but certainly not the best. The boss, aka the wife, will give me the proper feedback on this. I'm guessing this rocking motion is maybe one way to use this better. I don't know. Not exactly sure. So there it is. A rustic blacksmith herb chopper. For me personally, this project is a big success. I like this very much. As always, I hope you've enjoyed. Got a lot more fooling around to do.